I just told Claude Code to send a WhatsApp message and no API calls, no webhook, no code, just plain English in my terminal. And it showed up on my phone. This used to take a week of setup and now it takes only one command. And let me show you how you can do it as well. So this is possible because of WPI.cloud. They built an MCP server model context protocol that plugs directly into Claude Code. What that means is Claude Code can now read your WhatsApp messages, send replies, manage groups, check if a number is on WhatsApp or not, and send images all through natural language. And you don't write any code. You just ask Claude Code and no Meta Business API, no verification, no template approvals. You just sign up, scan a QR code, and now you are connected. And also, they provide free sandbox, no credit card, and link is in the description. So, let me show you how you can do it. Let's get into my screen. First, you need to go to WPI.cloud. Here, click on Get Started Free, and here you can sign up with your like email address. I have already a account with WAPI, so let me just log in. You need to come here and you need to click on create a channel or add channel, and after that you need to scan a QR code with your phone and copy the API token that they provide you, and it takes only 60 seconds. And after that, let me show you what you need to do in your terminal. So I have already been able to set up the channel and I've been able to set up my phone number, and here's my token. Let me copy it. So after copying the token, you need to go to your terminal and open Claude. So for that, you need to go to your terminal and write a command Claude, and then the Claude will open up. And after that, you need to run this command, this prompt that you need to send to Claude Code, which is setup WAPI MCP according to these instructions. And these instructions are officially provided by WAPI.cloud. I will add this link in the description. You need to copy this link with this prompt. You need to ask to Claude Code, set up WAPI MCP according to these instructions, and then this URL. And when you run this command, Claude is going to do the whole WAPI MCP setup for you, and it's going to ask you for the token. You need to just give the token to Claude, and Claude is going to add this like the whole MCP server setup in the claude.json. And after that it's added, you can send messages or receive messages with the WAPI MCP using Claude Code. So like where I have tried sending a test message, let me try is sending a test message again to +9183601113, saying, hey, this is a test message from Claude Code. All right. So now let's wait for this message to come. Let's approve this tool use. And yeah, we can see that I received a message from the number that is connected to WAPI MCP that, hey, this is a test message from Claude Code. This is how you can set up WAPI MCP inside your Claude Code. Now let's read some messages. So let me ask, show me my last 5 WhatsApp messages. Yeah. Now the Claude is going to use the WAPI's tools, which is connected with the WAPI MCP. So then it's going to let me know that what were the last 5 messages. So here you can see I have like tested these messages, like this is a test message, test message. So these are the last 5 messages that's like sent with Claude Code or like I have received on my number. So yeah, you can see that how Claude pulled my recent conversations, names, messages, timestamps, all from one prompt. So I can also check if a number is on WhatsApp or not. So let me try with this. Check if this number exists on WhatsApp. So for that, let me enter a number. All right. So Claude is gonna use this the WAPI MCP tool, and yeah, it's gonna check if this number exists on WhatsApp or not. This is like a huge advantage for businesses. Before like you message a lead, check if they are even on WhatsApp, and then the effort will not be wasted. Here you can see that WAPI MCP used check phones tool, and it checked if this number even exists on WhatsApp or not. So there are so many other tools as well for like checking the messages, for reading the unread messages, for creating a group. All the API calls are accessible, all the tools are accessible to now Claude Code. That's an AI WhatsApp assistant running from your terminal. Let me explain why this is different. I didn't write a single line of code, no Express server, no webhook URL, no deployment. Claude Code talked to WhatsApp natively through MCP. MCP is the standard that lets AI tools connect to real services. And WAPI's MCP server gives Claude full access, messaging, groups, contacts, media, business features, all through your terminal. For agencies, every local business needs WhatsApp automation. Restaurants, clinics, salons. You can set this up for a client in an afternoon and charge $500 to $2,000. The tool is free to start. And if you want this, link to WPI.cloud is in the description. Free sandbox, no credit card, one command, and you have WhatsApp in Claude Code. It works with Cursor, VS Code, Claude Desktop too. If you set up WAPI MCP, send me a screenshot of what you built. I'll pin the best one, and subscribe for more videos where we build real things, no theory, just builds. See you in the next one.